Ever since Darwin published On the Origin of Species, there has been a debate. Recently, in Western society, this has primarily been an argument between a Judeo-Christian view and a scientific view. Basically, the Christian view of human origin has been based upon an interpretation of pre-existing ancient stories collected in the Bible, and these stories have been interpreted by a clerical hierarchy and, in some cases, the lay followers of the religion. The scientific view has been based upon a collection of stories written in recent times by a class of professionals following the sacrament of the scientific method. Yet, it is interesting to note that the stories of human origin that both the biblical and scientific view tell are remarkably similar. In the biblical version, humans originally live in a lush garden and are forced into a new environment after eating something which leads to a change in their very nature of being. With this change of essence and environment comes the discovery that they are naked. And the eyes of them both were opened, and they knew that they were naked. Our ancestors then put on clothes and developed agriculture. And thou shalt eat of the herb of the field, in the sweat of thy face shalt thou eat bread. In the scientific view of evolution, our ape ancestors first developed in jungles. Then, due to an environmental change, the jungles reduced in size and our ancestors were forced onto the savannas. This less sheltered habitat did not provide our ancestors with their staple of fruit and nuts that the jungle had previously provided in abundance. Once on the, at times thorny, savannas, our ancestors were reduced to eating what the grasslands could provide. However, while the plant life on the savannas provided our ancestors with enough food to survive, it did not provide them with enough to thrive. In the scientific version of our story of origin, it is generally agreed that something dramatic happened that changed the very nature of who we once were as apes, and this change led to us becoming who we are today.